It's the girl with the fro and welcome back to my channel. It's really nice to have you back. If it's the first time you are visiting our channel, you better subscribe. Right down in the link below, right down in the little box below, you better click on it. Let's just subscribe, get out the way so we can start the video. Okay, everyone subscribed? Great. Now, today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. As you can see with the dukes and stuff and scarves on my head, it's going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you two ways how you can style your bun, okay, a hair bun. In today's hair tutorial, we're going to be using a couple things. First, you're going to need your water. Then you're going to be using your gel. I use Eco Styler gel, professional styling gel with argan oil. It's the red one. There are a couple of different ones. Olive oil, coconut, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it's from Dischem. It was 70-80 rand, I think. Yeah. And some combs and brushes. But remember, be very gentle, okay? Be very gentle with your hair when you use brushes and combs and all that thing. And we're going to be using some wool, some elastics, just to tie the hair up. And then you're also going to need hairpins. I don't have them right now. I'll get them later in the video. You're going to be using some hairpins to pin in the extension, okay? And the extension we're going to use today is Kinky Bulk from Rain. I will link the... what do you call this? I'll put the link to the website to this exact product in the description if you guys want to go buy it. It's really good quality. I've had some of my extensions for close to 2 years now, and this is the one I'm going to use. This is the one that I've had for like 2 years, so yeah, that's the one I'm going to use. And yeah, so let's get into it. First thing you're going to need to do, guys, is you're going to need to slick down your hair. Now, okay, if you have watched my other hair tutorials, you have seen that I do my hair the day off, okay? And I have always said in my hair tutorials that maybe maybe you can also try doing sleeking down your hair the day before, just to make it a little flatter, a little more sleeker, you know. But I had never tried that, so I tried it. I sleeked it yesterday, and then now we're going to just see the final results, okay? But before I show you the final result of how it looks, I'm going to show you how I sleek my hair down. So yeah, let's get to sleeking, guys. How many times am I gonna break brushes? Jesus. Turn around and she looks at me, probably on fire, probably on fire, probably on fire. If I turn around and she looks at me, probably on fire, probably on fire, probably on fire. If I turn around and she looks at me, probably on fire. Chanel purse on, red dress on, perfect on, yeah. I'm probably gonna take that off and get lost in that ocean. I'm not going nowhere looking at me like that. I'm probably gonna stay here looking at me like that. I can't concentrate, you're looking at me like that. I'm probably gonna drown, you're looking at me like that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Body on fire, body on fire. Body on fire, body on fire, body on fire. Turn around and she looks at me, body on fire, body on fire, body on fire. If I turn around and she looks at me, body on fire, body on fire, body on fire. If I turn around and she looks at me, probably on fire. We are back. Okay, so it is today. We are going to be seeing how it looks when you sleek your hair down the night before, and yeah. I had to change like the scarves that I was wearing in the previous videos because they were so heavy. I couldn't, it was so heavy. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, from now on you're going to be slicking your hair the day before, okay? It's settled. It's settled. It's settled. Unless if you don't have time. But if you do, do it the day before. Look at this. Just look. Look. Hmm? Sleek. Sleek. I'm going to start with my top knot. Okay? You want to first just grab the end of it. Grab the end of your hair. Excuse me. Grab the end of your hair and then just start to place it around your head. Okay? Around your bun, I mean. And then as you put it on your hair, you're gonna twist it. Twist, twist, twist. And there you go. Top knot. Okay? Quick, done, easy, simple, we are done. You don't even really need the pins for this look because you can just tuck the hair into each other. Now, if you want the top knot to be bigger, you can always add more hair. And let's see how this will look. See? Done. Simple. 5 minutes, literally. Done.
Turn around and she looks at me. Body on fire. Body on fire. Body on fire. If I turn around and she looks at me. Body on fire.
So that was look number 1. It was the twisted top knot. Now we're going to be doing the braided bun. And for this look, you're going to need a little bit more hair than the first bun. Okay, you're going to need a little bit more extensions because I like big buns. Okay, I like really big buns. So that's why I'm adding so much hair. And then first thing you're going to want to do is attach the extension onto your hair. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your hair elastic over the extension, right? And then you are going to put the extension on your head. And then that hair that was left over, you are going to take it and wrap it around your hair to kind of like create that circle for the bun. You're gonna braid the extension, okay? You can make it a 2-stranded braid, a 3-stranded braid, but today I'm gonna be doing a 3-stranded braid.
Body on fire. Body on fire. If I turn around and she looks at me, body on fire. Chanel purse on, red dress on, perfect on. Yeah, I'm probably gonna take that off and get lost.
The hair is braided and attached to your hair. We are gonna wrap it around to create the bun. Okay, I didn't braid it all the way to the end because I wanted to leave some hair out so I could like secure the bun. Okay. So there we go. Let's wear it.
I'm not going nowhere looking at me like that. I'm probably gonna stay here looking at me like that. I can't concentrate, you're looking at me like that. I'm probably gonna drown, you're looking at me like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Body on fire. Body on fire. Body on fire. Body on fire.
You have it. There's the bun, braided bun, done. Easy peasy. Quick 2 minutes before work, before a date, whatever. Simple hairstyle, okay?
Body on fire. If I turn around and she looks at me, body on fire. Body on fire. Body on fire. If I turn around and she looks at me, body on fire.
Today's tutorial, guys, I showed you 2 ways how you can style your bun. Either you can have it in a twisted top knot or braided bun. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments. Let me know which one you're gonna try. Like this video and everything. We are all done. But before I end this video, I just wanted to say a little something, because I have been asked questions on my Instagram, my Twitter, and in my DMs or whatever, on about why I don't lay my edges in my videos. Well, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. If you at home, you want to lay your edges, go right ahead. Sometimes I really don't want to lay my edges because I just want to leave my hair alone. I don't want to tug and, you know, put extra pressure and extra tension. So even with my hair, that's why sometimes it's not completely flat, because I don't tie it so tightly. I don't want to pull on my edges, guys. I am protecting my edges. That's why I don't put my hair super flat or make my comb. You see, it can get tighter, you see, but then I can feel the tension right on my edges, and I don't want that. So a little advice from me to you: take it, don't take it, that's your business. But we are completely done with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do give it a thumbs up, do comment, and do subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.